Alisa. I'm about to go on a ride with the PRO2 with the Kenda guys. Never done it before. I've always dreamed of going on the track someday in some sort of vehicle. Now I get that chance. I've been going here for all 21 years of my life, and I never thought I would get the experience, but here we are. Got back from my ride with Corey Winter with Kendatires. I don't have the words. That was amazing to ride on the track here in Crandon. Those jumps, you're just flowing. That traction with the tires though, I thought we were gonna maybe catch some ruts or something. Perfect. Like, I'm just in shock, and it was so fun. I want to go again.